let's use OBS Studio to record today. So actually, I think what we have done so far, I will do a revision before we go into today's work because we are going to learn everything in DAX today. So, and we're going to start from the basic, which is sum, average, and all like that. So with the data set I sent to us, so I will use that data set as example. You can check the group. So you will see the data set I just sent you there, like Power BI says data set. So let's go and check it. So has anybody have seen it? Have you? You see it in the group. This one here. Let me pin it. So this data set, let's download it or save it. Then after that, so we are going to load it into Power BI. When you click on import data from Excel, so it's going to load to Power BI. Then we start with the class. So, and the thing that we are going to do is that I think the data set has been cleaned before. It's up to 500 list. So that is there. I think no, is it 500 or 600? It's 500. So when we click on this, it's going to open up for us. Then are you all there? Hope you are loading it. So click on where you save it to. Maybe you save it on download or document. So anywhere at all. So then after that, we're gonna load it inside. So you click on load. It's going to wait for a while before you load. You need to wait for a while before you load. So let's wait. So I think I want to say something.
Sorry.
Okay. So let's come here to the sheet. Then let me check the transform. Let me transform. See the Power Query. Let's see how the data look like before I load it inside. So then you click on transform. I'm going to open the Power Query for you. Now the Power Queries, you can clean your data. You can do anything you want to do there. So you want to remove the column, you can remove it. So this is why my own blog
Okay, please be coming down. You're not asking if you are following your
Oh,
console.
are you
And be at
following?
load.
Are you following me?
My data have not load though.
Oh, sorry. Really sorry about that.
I haven't opened my data. I'll be data then.
Okay.
Yeah, so let me quickly.
I will too.
Just trying to see.
As you get out today, am I worried?
Yes, no.
Yes.
Okay. I've been able to open it.
Oh, so you follow the process of loading it. So I hope you know how to load it. So you click on import from Excel.
Yes.
When you open your file, you are going to click on the data set Congo, which is Power BI data set or something like that. So after you click on it,
The thing just opened in my Excel. I be in my I be Excel.
you went to go and open it. So you save it.
Okay.
You save it first inside your file. So you won't click on open. When you see it like this, inside WhatsApp àbí kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ ní open ẹ̀, you just
Uh,
save it, you will save it.
yeah, ó ti save bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
Then after it's saved,
Àfi
then
bẹ́ẹ̀.
you come to Power BI, click on import from Excel.
Okay.
Ẹ máa rí fáìlì yẹn, then ẹ click lórí ẹ̀kẹ́ load.
Okay.
You are getting it.
Number. BI. Okay. Share. Very open Power BI.
What about Auntie Modupe? You to have loaded it.
Yes, I'm on it.
Okay.
Please, oh, which data are we loading, sir? Is it the Power BI sales
Yeah,
data?
Power BI says data.
Okay.
So now open. Now import from Excel.
Yeah.
Okay. Sales data one. Open. Okay. What do I put in show?
All right. So when you load it, it's going to bring a panel called navigator. So when you bring
Yes.
that navigator, then you click on sheet 1. You click on that sheet 1. You let it show color green. To bá ti show color green, then you transform the data so that you can see what I'm doing like this. You can see
Okay.
power query.
Okay. Yeah.
It has opened something like this, have you?
Yes.
Okay.
It has opened now.
Auntie Bless enough for. Have you done
Instead of pressing
Yeah, put
transform, instead of pressing transform, tó bá yẹ pé load yẹn lèyàn tẹ̀, kí ni nǹkan tó máa.
It's going to load data straight into your working place, but there are some things we need to adjust here. So
Okay.
like for instance now, if you transform data, that's where you are going to
okay,
that's when you
Okay.
are going to clean your data set, you understand? So using
Okay.
Power Query, that's when you are going to adjust something like date. Now before you see this
Yeah,
date,
the date is looking nice, better than the way it was looking in the Excel.
actually even if you see this date, you see that this one is bringing number. You should not bring number like this. You should be bringing date, date kini. So come and right click on it like this, on this date.
Yeah, but my own is bringing. My own brought normal date now, 21/02/2023.
You give it a space, normal this thing like this.
Yeah, he did like slash slash
Slash,
slash
so that's good. So
and time.
my own here is not bring it, so I need to adjust it, you understand? So I will
Okay.
change the data type to date, you understand? So
Okay.
when I change it to date, then it's going to brought up a normal this thing that you have there, like slash slash, you understand? So
Okay.
if anybody have the same issue, you can be like that. So now we also have the product is AB, which is good. It says 2, so the straight up is good. So and the quantity show too is also good. So if you don't see something like this red, green, red and black, so this is why you are going to do that. You are going to click on this transform data here. So okay, no, add column. So under the add column, so you are going to click on what do you call it, customize column. Okay, under fill, under the fill ribbon at the top, you see fill níbi okay. So you now click on quality column quality. So after you click on column quality, you are going to see something like this. So that one is just to indicate maybe your data set in the column, there's empty cells, there's error, there's anything, so you are going to see it there. So if there's empty, it's going to signify maybe 1% or 2%. So if there's empty, but if everything is okay, it's going to bring 100% accurate for you. That means it's valid. So from this one, we are using it to detect error in our data set too as well.
Okay.
Understand? So then after you are done with this and everything is okay, so then you are good to go. What you are going to do is just to to load the data set, which we are going to do here under home. So when you come to
Okay.
home tab, then you click on close and applied. Close and applied. When you close and apply, it's going to take a while before you load them. After you load, you're gonna see it there, be data and be by. So it's going to show here.
You should click on the close and apply.
Yeah, close and apply. Then it will load the data set.
Okay. But ilé tó wá lójú kò yé mi bó ṣe rí. Is it going to?
Now, how do you say?
Yeah, it's not bringing anything. It just
It's still loading. It's still loading now. So when you load finish, you bring 600 rows loaded. So 600 rows of the data is going to bring something like that for you. And after you load finish, it take a while. Then you're gonna see it there. Níbi by marry níbi data and be okay. So just shoot this thing. Shoot this arrow. If you shoot it out, it's going to open the panel for data for you. But my own is still loading. That's why. If you load finish now, you are going to see it. Auntie Modupe.
please. What did you? Please, okay.
Okay, what do you say, ma?
Ẹhẹ́n. Nǹkan tó gbé wá ní build data, build visuals with your data yìí. Nǹkan tó gbé wá sọ́dọ̀ yìí ló gbé wá fún mi látẹ̀kàn.
Okay, you are going to come here, níbi by this space. You will see something like the data here at this panel here.
Mi ì rí anything. Arrow yẹn wà lórí.
Okay, this one here.
Okay.
There will be something data here, but it will not be significant. It will not show like that. But you will be at the behind that visualization, behind build data here.
Visualization. Okay. Mo ti rí.
So then you now
So,
go and shoot it out like this. Then shoot it out, you are going to see your data set. Then let's rename it to sales. Just say sales. So when you rename it to sales, then save it. So it's going to change to sales. So here at the top under the name, so the name of the data set has changed to sales. This one also has changed to sales. Understand? So I already taught us how to build a model and how to do relationship. So, but let me touch that before we go to normal class. So we want to create a model, and we're going to do some calculations too as well. So which I'm going to show us step by step. So and from there we are entering DAX. So we want to do everything on that from beginning to advanced, from basic to advanced. So here we have sales. This is the sales data actually. So let me just build some tables, then link it up, then we are done with the relationship. So we come to new table here. Let's use new table for instance. Then when you come here, we click on this.
Mr. Goke, before
Okay.
you build table, sorry, sir. Now, from what is listed there now, date, products, quantity, religion. So, how did you know the table that you want to build?
Oh, it depends on you. Actually, this one I'm just using for example. The data set that I sent to us, the new one I sent to the group, you will see that data set is full of many sheets. Yes or no? Like 4 sheets. So you create
That
sheet
first
1, sheet 2, sheet
assignment,
3.
Abi.
I mean the third one. Okay, the first one too. Yes, that first one too has like 4 sheets or 2 sheets. So this table is going to help you to connect all the sheets together to once. You understand? So you just come here to the model view, then you create those tables, those sheets. You use that sheet to title your tables, you understand. So the sheet one maybe is the product sheet or is the sales sheet or selling sheet. So you are going to create all those sheets together like a table, then you connect them together with the general one, you understand. So when you connect them together, it's going to be ones. So when you are building your dashboard, that model that you created is not going to make your data set to be divided, you understand. Do you know the reason why when we are building dashboard normal in Excel, when we build it finish, we are going to create together that if you change any value in your analysis, it's going to reflect on your
Mm.
dashboard, you understand. So this one too
Mm-hmm.
is just like that, but this one is advanced one in the sense that we are going to write DAX query for it to work perfectly and to create a model for that table to be together, togetherness for life, so that if anything happen to one sheet or you remove any data from any other sheet, so it's going to affect reflect in the general one that tag them all of them together. Do you get that? Hope you get it.
And you said just continue.
No, if you don't want, if you don't get it, let me know. If you don't get it, let me know.
And
So
with this one, maybe we'll get it now.
alright, so now let's say we have product here, for instance, then product is going to be distinct.
wait o,
So
ẹ ti já mi lẹ, ẹ má bínú, ẹ má bínú o. Ibi tẹ́ ti ní ká rename ni mo mà dé. Ṣé a ti create nǹkan kan tó fẹ́ jọ bí pivot table báyẹn sìn?
like this one, right?
Yes sir.
No, it's not as if it's like pivot table, but this one is a model. So
Okay, màá kàn click ẹ. Okay, okay,
you
okay.
click on model view. When you click on model view, it's going to come up for you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. I see it.
You see says, after that, then you go to new table. So that's when you are going to create a table that you are going to connect it with. So just as an example actually, so but if you have a large data set like 4 sheet, I'm still going to use example of large data set, anti-blessing, are you there? So that we
Yes.
are going to work with a large data set, a table, it can be in form of 4 sheet, 3 sheet like that. So I will now use it to connect it together. Maybe after this class I will show you. So now we have product here. Let's say product, then product is going to equal to what? So if you are going to name this, where the name you are going to use for, like you want to create a table, the functions,
Name like a
like you want to create a new table now, what's the function you
uh,
are going to use as your DAX query?
distinct.
Yeah, good. So that will be distinct, open bracket,
Sales.
says, then you open a minimum bracket, right? Then you are going to click on date, abi product I mean. So then you close the bracket, until Olaide, hope you are following.
Yes.
After you write products, then you write distinct. Distinct is the function we use to create table. Then write the space, that's it, your data set name, cut off phone. So you use the space, then you open a small
Ma?
bracket, then write product. They will put that product inside the table, so that when you are creating your model, it's going to be having any issue. So it just be one to one and single. So you're not going to be create. I'm going to show you that one too as well. So it's going to be single link up, not going to be multiple. So here we have product, then after you do that one, then you now go and commit it. So when you commit it, it's going to show up for you like this product table. So that's created together now. What we are going to do now is just to carry this product here, link it up with this one. So when you do
Please, how
that,
did you create new table? Sorry, I keep taking you back.
okay, so this is how we create it.
Oh,
Let me save this one first, and I will create a new one so that we're able to use it. So here you click on new table, are you there?
okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
When you click on new table, so then you delete this one. We brought something like this for your table, then you delete this, then you create, let's say we want to have region table for instance. So I have region, because I already create tables, then you click on regions is equal to, are you there? So
Yes.
then you write distinct.
Yes.
We use that one to build table. So then after you write it, then you write the name of your data set, which is says, then you open bracket. So then you now come here, you see for region, this is the region, right? So when you
Mm.
click on it, then you close the bracket, then you commit it. So it's going to create a table called regions for you, and the table is here already. So now if you want to connect it together to create a relationship, you carry this region, place it there. So here you see many to many, so it's okay, and this part 2 is single, you leave like that. The cardinality should be many to one. So then the cross filter to direction should be single, then you connect it together. So after you have done that, it has built a model for you. This is the model. So and we already connect the table together. So I'm just doing this revision actually because of we that miss class. So now this is how to go about that. Now let's go to normal work you have, which is that we are going to be building, we are going to do some calculations. So
Mr. Goke,
hello ma.
the first assignment that you gave us, I
Yes,
didn't do it too, but that has multiple sheets. You know,
yes,
when I opened this model view, it was already connected. Why was it connected already?
like the under the model field that's connected. It's connected because let me hear it. Okay, that's connected because this what do you call it, the model field. Oh, so the model field has been really made together, so that's why it's being connected. So and for this one now, what we are going to do is this. So let me connect. I think my this thing has been disconnected, so sorry about that. So now